The price range of the 2025 Land Rover Range Rover, the star model of the luxury SUV market, is 1,412 to 2,202 million yuan. All Range Rover models have introduced the advanced E+ entertainment interconnection system, providing drivers with a richer intelligent interaction experience. At the same time, the new car cancels Baidu CarLife and front and rear smoking kits, optional, further optimizing the vehicle configuration. In terms of configuration, it adds the automatic folding of the luggage compartment curtain and the illuminated door trim with Range Rover lettering, while the double-layer sunshade on the front passenger side has been reduced. The extended version is even richer. It adds ventilation for the front and rear seats, automatic folding of the luggage curtain, illuminated door trim with Range Rover lettering, and 21-inch 5-spoke wheels, but reduces the number of double-sided sunshades on the front passenger side. The seat wheels are multi-layer sunshades, the rear entertainment system plus 11.4-inch screen, and the head-up display system are available. It is equipped with ventilation functions for the front and rear seats, third row only heated, and illuminated door trim with Range Rover lettering. It is also equipped with a heated steering wheel on the front passenger side, adaptive cruise control for off-road conditions and 22-inch 10-spoke wheels, originally 22-inch 7-spoke wheels, and is equipped with a double-layer sunshade. There are also 23-inch 10-spoke wheels and front and rear electric doors. In terms of power system, it is equipped with a 3.0T low/high power engine with a maximum power of 265 kilowatts and 294 kilowatts respectively, and a peak torque of 495 Nm and 550 Nm respectively, matched with 8-100 Nm. The P460e model is equipped with a 3.0T plug-in hybrid system with a maximum power of 338 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 660 Nm, which makes the power performance more powerful. The launch of the 2025 Land Rover Range Rover not only offers a more affordable price, but also comprehensively upgrades the configuration, demonstrating the Land Rover brand's continuous pursuit of quality and performance.